4,000 watch hours in 2 days. I'm going to be showing you how I did it on this channel, like practical example of how I did it. I'm not going to be saying, oh, I heard this, I heard that, I heard, because if you check on YouTube, there are so many I heard this, I heard that. So I'm here to share my own personal experience from my own channel with you guys to see if it is something you guys can actually work with or make do it. So guys, let's dive in. Before I continue, if you are just diving into my channel, this is Nneka Stories. Do well to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment down below. So let's dive in without any much further ado. Yeah, so I got 4,000 watch hours in 2 days. Before then, I've actually been struggling with getting watch hours. I've been doing all the tactics, like when I check on YouTube, I see people say, okay, create a playlist, go on live stream. Like, but I was doing all of those things, going online. In fact, I was consistent. They were like, post daily, you have to be consistent, you have to post now, like always. But I actually did a video like to get 1,000 subscribers. I was like, to get 1,000 subscribers, number one, post a video, number two, post a video, like I was just saying post a video, like, because that was all what I was hearing then. But now, like, I just had to do a practical example, and guess what I used to achieve that, guys? I know there are a lot of controversies about that. I actually used Restream. Restream was what I used. I'm going to be telling you the pros and cons of using Restream. I'll tell you how it affected my channel positively and negatively, so that you guys don't make the same mistake on your channel. Yeah guys, let's dive in. So I actually used Restream. If you want me to teach you how you can use Restream to get your watch hours, let me know in the comment section, but I'm going to tell you what I did. So I used Restream. I got a video, a non-copyrighted video. Yeah, so there was this mid slicing video. I got a non-copyrighted video, then I actually uploaded it. So when I uploaded it, like, I uploaded on my live, because before then I've been going on live, but I was not really getting the watch hours. Like, maybe I just see like 10 views, you understand? So it was not really generating watch hours for me. But then I was not like, okay, let me try this Restream. I watched a lady, Peace Space. I don't know if you guys know her. She's a popular growing YouTuber like us that actually do tutorial videos for people that actually try to grow on YouTube. So I watch her, Peace Space, in case you know her. She's quite popular. So when I watch her, she actually got monetized October and I got monetized November. That's to show you I actually followed her step. So I actually used the non-copyrighted video, and then I uploaded it on my channel using Restream. Yeah, just to go live. You get what I mean by Restream, not the normal live stream we all know. So this is Restream, like it keeps playing, and also you can set it and not technically be live, but you're actually live. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. If you want me to do a tutorial, a step-by-step tutorial on how you can use Restream, maybe you don't know how to use Restream. If you want me to do a step-by-step tutorial, let me know in the comment section down below, as I am so ready, I am so eager to teach you guys on how I did it step by step. Yes guys, so back to what I was saying. So I actually uploaded the video, and then it got so many engagements. In fact, the video in total, like, I actually did this for like 2 days, and then it gave me my 4,000 watch. In fact, I got more than 4,000 watch hours. I got about 7,000 watch hours. Yes, I got about, I'm going to be uploading the screenshot here or here, depending on whichever, but I'm actually going to be uploading a screenshot of that here. So I got a watch hour of over 7,000 watch hours for just 2 days, guys. In just 2 days, I was able to accumulate watch hours of over 7K. So if you want to use Restream to get monetized, make sure you use a video that is related to your content, so that when you get your subscribers, you get your watch hours, they will still be able to watch your long form videos. Unlike me, that actually did a video that is not related to my long form content. Yes, I actually did a Restream not related to my long form content. I got subscribers, I got watch hours, but then they are not interested. That's one of the pro and cons. Yeah, so the pro is that you're actually going to get your watch hours, you're going to get your subscribers. But if you use a video that is not related to your content, then you might be having a struggle after monetization to get views on your long form content. But if you use your videos, your long form videos to do Restream, trust me guys, you won't have any issues. So in case you're contemplating, can you get monetized using Restream? I just answered that question because my channel got monetized using Restream. I use Restream during my live, and then I am monetized. Woo! So thank you guys. If you want me to do a practical step-by-step example of how I was able to accumulate 4,000 watch hours in 2 days, I am willing and able to assist you. Just put it down in the comment section. I'm going to be right there.